Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Zengo account login, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your Zengo account login, start by opening the Zengo app on your device. Next, locate the Forgot Password option on the login screen. Tap on Forgot Password to initiate the reset process. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Zengo account. Type in your email address and then click the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a message from Zengo. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the password reset link provided. Click on the link to be directed to the password reset page. You may be asked to create a new password at this point. Choose a strong and secure password that you haven't used before. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. Once you've entered the new password, click on the Reset Password button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the Zengo login screen. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click the Login button to access your account. If your login is successful, you are now ready to use your Zengo account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.